And I ate. I said, What's up, guys? Happy Friday. The theme for today at work was just like royalty. So you're put on a little princess crown to represent with the kiddos. Now, I was going to go to the grocery store, but now, it may not look like it in the camera, but it's been Dresden off and on, but I'm hungry. And your girl ain't got nothing but a half container of ice cream in her freezer because I need to go to the grocery store. But I don't feel like it. I really got to taste with some chicken Alfredo. It's like go buy the stuff and cook it or go to Olive Garden. I think we're going to go to Olive Garden. I'm actually a little sleepy too. We had a little spring break and my body got used to a certain time. And every day I'll be like, I can't stop yawning. You know what I'm saying? If it's crowded, then your girl gonna get a little to go. But fingers crossed it's not crowded. Maybe we're down here. Maybe we do a little solo date. Look at my little headphones. Yep. I haven't need one of them in a minute. Happy Friday, guys. How's y'all Friday going so far? Like I was tired. And I'm like, I'm normally not tired like this. Maybe I put the humidifier up. Over with. Like I was just congested like up here. But your girl is feeling much better. Much, much better. We get an opportunity to get a booth. I got my keys. First, gotta get y'all. Let's go. Hello. Can I have a table for one?
Yes.
Is it possible to get a booth? Yes. I think I know what I want. I was debating between mozzarella sticks and dip, but I think I'm gonna do the spinach artichoke dip.
Yeah, of course. Spinach artichoke dip. Okay.
And then for my entree, can I have the chicken Alfredo?
Crispy or grilled chicken?
Grilled chicken.
With or without broccoli?
With broccoli.
And soup or salad?
Salad.
Salad? Yes. Sounds good.
Can the dressing actually come on the side?
Yeah, the Italian one?
Yes.
Sounds good.
And for my drink, can I have the raspberry lemonade?
Would you like that with or without a lemon?
Without.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll be right back out with that.
Thank you. Okay.
So, any cheese for your salad?
Yes, please.
Let me know when to stop.
That's good.
Alright, sounds good.
Thank you. Straight about the pop. I can't eat them both. This thing right here, baby, my mouth is on fire. I normally put, what's this thing called? Banana peppers. And I don't know why I thought that was a banana. That gotta be a different type of pepper. Because baby, my mouth is on fire. Lips burning. You know me? So I think we're done. So pack this up to go. Oh, because I feel like now my nose will start running. What is that? A peppercini? That's what it's called. Baby, that thing was loaded with seeds. But I already had it in my mouth. I didn't want to spit it out at the table. To-go boxes it is. Oh, wait. Baby. Your girl is stuffed like a potato. Baby, ate good. Note. Don't go to... Look at my shirt. Baby, ate good, watched me a good old show. It was packed when I got in there. It's starting to like die down a little bit. It's only 6 something now. Not super late. Stomach is tight. And it's not tight in the sense of like, baby, you overate. It's more like, girl. First of all, we got on a skirt, a bodycon skirt. So we got on Spanx. And baby, the stomach is like, hey, what's up, girl? You trying to eat some more? Take this off and then maybe a little bit more. Child, she bought me she refreshed the bowl of salad. And I ate. I said, Don't you try to chew down another piece. I was going to try the Italian, like the warm, like, what was it like? Not pancake. Oh. Baby, belly is tight. I'm ready to take this spank off. You hear me? I told her I should have went home. I should have took the spank off while I went in the restaurant. Or in the bathroom or something, child. I think I definitely got room for a little dessert. But the way it's set up, I can't eat nothing else. I was going to try warm Italian donuts. And they come with a little chocolate syrup. I am. I keep popping up like this. Now my belly should have got big, not the boobies. What's happening? That was good. I had plenty of leftovers. She gave me some more warm bread, gave me another fresh salad with some dressing on the side so my salad don't get soggy. We got a little raspberry lemonade to go. Oh my. First of all, let's point out the fact. Do y'all go on solo dates? Like, do y'all take yourself out? I feel like in the past, I've done a lot of things with like family and friends. And then probably 2-3 years ago, I started like going out, taking baby steps of taking myself out and like eating alone. I go get food all the time by myself. But actually sitting in an establishment or going to an event solo. It's the most rewarding feeling. It's just like, okay, girl, you can do this. I feel like once you get over that people ain't nobody paying attention to your child. Of course, somebody may look over like, oh, she by herself, something like that. But girl, ain't nobody focused on you. And then the second part is the fact they got a whole camera. So they wasn't looking now because it's like, why is this girl got a camera? So I'm vlogging different experiences, not all, but I vlog different experiences with and without people with me. And it's like, well, they gonna turn and look at you, girl. I got something in my eye. My eye look all glossy, maybe because your girl is full. And below, do you take yourself out on solo dates? I've gone to the movies. I've gone to different art events by myself. I'm into art. I've gone out to eat a few times by myself. And I think that whole thing, one, you get to learn what you enjoy. You don't have to rush. You can take your time. You can do it when you feel like doing it. You can switch up the schedule if things change. And I just feel like it's the most rewarding thing ever. I'm so glad I started doing this because I remember days when I didn't do certain things because people didn't want to go. I was afraid to go by myself, or the fear of what other people would think looking at me, or just feeling like I always needed company. And my own company is enough. Yes, I do baby kiki and caca and the with family and friends, but baby, I put them earbuds in, prop my phone up, watch me a little show while I'm eating. My thing is YouTube. I love me a good old YouTube, or find a little show to watch, and I'm good to go. It's just like I'm at home watching TV, eating my dinner. But I'm allowing myself, one, to be out and be social, but then also I don't always have to have something on my phone playing, but just the amount of, one, I planned it, and two, I think it's just, oh, this is what you want to do, so go do it. But baby, your girl is ready to go home and shower, get out these clothes, because baby, oh, hold on, let me see if I can bring the camera down. Because baby, the way the belly, oh, come on. Oh, there we go. About to break the stand. Okay, look at the baby. The shirt is all twisted up. A stuffed potato. It's fine. We conquered the day. We did what we came to do. We ate good. We feel good. We got leftovers. Oh. But yeah, we about to get ready to head to the house. And we'll probably go to the grocery store on Sunday because we eating that tomorrow. And we'll figure out something else tomorrow. And then Sunday when we get out of church, we'll figure out what we're doing for this week's meal. I got a plan of what I probably want to eat. But I don't feel like going to the grocery store. We're not doing it today. Another day. Not tonight. Oh, God, we thank you. What's up, guys? We have made it home. And guess what? Your girl had a front door park. Okay? I'm going to show y'all what this outfit looks like before I take it off. Hold on. So, we made it home. And this is the fit. This is the fit. Last time in the shower and wind down. I don't know. This may be the end of the vlog. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next time.